Hello and welcome to the channel and the beautiful Greek island of Kos. In this video we want to show you some of what this island has to offer, from shops to beaches, history to food. We're visiting from the UK. The travel time is approximately 4 hours. Everything you see in this video was filmed in June. The temperature was around the mid-30s. So let's start off at Cos Harbor. Here you'll find fishing trips, along with local fishing boats selling their catch. Feeling adventurous? How about diving? Or if you want to explore the neighbouring islands, you can book one of the 3 island day tour excursions, which leave around 10 AM and return for 5 PM. You can book direct with them or through your tour operator. Cost is around €30 per person, but this does include lunch. You can also ride through the town on what I call the noddy train, which is around €15 per person. Around the harbour you'll find plenty of tavernas offering great food, cold beer and of course those views. Shopping. If you're looking for souvenirs, there are more choices than you can shake a tourist at here. But look around and compare prices, as they do differ from shop to shop. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel and it means the world to us. The Old Town is a great place to sit and watch the world go by. The square has a great market offering local products from soaps to wine and of course olives. Hippocrates, the founder of modern day medicine, was from the island and was believed to have taught his students under a plane tree. This is a descendant of the original tree. Ancient Agora. Now this is free to walk around, but it is closed on Tuesdays. 10-minute walk outside the main town, you'll find the Odeum. Again, this is free, and it dates from around the 2nd century AD. If walking around ruins isn't for you, and you want to relax at a beach, there's plenty of them here. I'm currently walking towards Lambie from Kos town. Prices to hire the sunbeds differ all along the beach, but some do allow you to use them for free if you use their bar and facilities, so look out for those. If you want a really sandy beach, consider going south to Paradise Beach or the Agios Stefanos Beach. Both are around 1 hour on the bus, costing €5.20 each way. Here you'll find ruins to explore, or fancy a challenge? Swim to Castry Island and ring that bell on the little church. Some beds are available to hire here at around €20 a day. That's for 2 beds and a parasol. But there are plenty of space on the beach if you just want to plonk yourself down. Food. Kos town has a lot of restaurants to choose from to suit all budgets and all tastes. From Greek food, Italian, sushi, Chinese, you name it, they've probably got it. We've been to the coast, so let's head up to the mountains. Zia. Again, there are plenty of shops and tavernas here, but the best thing? The amazing views over the island. But of course, sitting down with a nice glass of wine, watching that sunset, perfect. Kos town at night can be lively, but it has a great atmosphere. The bars and shops are open till late, so take your time and enjoy your evening. I felt completely safe walking around on my own. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help us grow the channel and follow us on our journeys. Thanks for watching!